If I'm strong enough, I've never been the kind to give it up. But this time, I don't know which way to go.
Ayan na nga guys, mga idol. Pila tayo rito sa Skyruns Tagaytay. Ano ba yan? Tagaytay. Sabi nila, hindi na maintindihan na Tagaytay o Tagaytay ba yan? Maitanong ko lang ho, no? Comment down below guys, ano nga ba talaga ang tamang pagbasa or pagbigkas ng Tagaytay? Kasi para sa atin Tagaytay ay matik na yan sa Pilipino, no? Pero kung sa ibang lahi yan, hindi nila binibigkas or sinasabi na Tagaytay, Tagaytay. Kasi parang stay or staycation, hindi naman staycation or stay or yung mag-stay ka, mag-stay, hindi naman ganun. So yun yung inaano nila, na kapag sila daw mga foreigner nagsabi Tagaytay, eh hindi maintindihan. So tayo is Tagaytay. Pero pag sinabi nila or binasa nila yan, is Tagaytay. Ayan na nga guys, may ticket na tayo. So yan, 120.
It is concorded more.
Yeah, senior
I
citizen.
didn't get any.
Welcome to Tagaytay. What's the correct one? Tagaytay or Tagaytay?
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay daw eh. Hindi daw maintindihan kasi nga parang yung stay or hindi naman pwedeng sabing stay.
Right hand po, right hand. Right hand, sir.
Right hand po.
Thank you.
Oh, yan na nga guys. Yan. Nakapasok na tayo dito sa Skyruns Tagaytay. So as usual, ganito pa rin naman guys yung pinakabungad, no? Uy, naging camera man pa si ano. Oh, apple hot. Why? No? You're really in Tagaytay ba?
One water only.
Water.
Yes. The big one is
Dito guys ha, yung mga pasalubong center. So pag nagawi po tayo rito sa may Tagaytay is eto yung pwede nating mabili. Di natin malaman guys, no, kung okay mga idol, kung okay yung ating sound, kasi hindi ko dinala yung ating lapel mic, hindi ko na dinala kanina para sana ko na ikabit natin para mas maganda, clear sana yung audio natin. Ayan guys, marami rito mabibili ng mga pasalubong, souvenirs, yun no. Ay ma'am, good morning. Sige po, tingin-tingin lang po. Oh, ito yung mga hinahanap niya. Ma'am, may mga ganito magkano? Kunwari, ito pinakamaliit.
Ito sir, ano po, 350 po. Ito po 500. Ito po 800. 800 po, 800. Yun po 1,000.
Ito po, 1,000. No?
Opo.
Wait lang, tawagan ko nga siya. Ano to, made of ano na po ito mo, no? Bakal na po talaga, no? Uy,
Po yan siya sir, yung mga pyesa po ng mga motor, ginawa po nilang motor.
ito, wait lang po
Sinim, inasek.
Yan guys, yung pinakamaliit na 350, so sunod is 500. Ito po, magkano? Ito, malaki-laki na. Magkano na po yung ganyan?
800 sir.
800, so yan guys. Yung cheap na ganito po, owner type. Yun mo, magkano po yung ganito po?
800.
800 din. Yan, 1,000 daw po ito.
100.
Ayan, souvenir.
One more.
And that's us, that's what.
Yan guys. Yung pinakamalaking motor na yan, ma'am, magkano po yan?
1 to sir, hanggang 1,000.
1,000. Yan.
Yung smaller size po, 500. Yung next size po, 800.
800.
Kasi pag isa lang po, 350 na. 350.
Yan guys. Iba't ibang klase ng mga pasalubong. Pag nagutom naman kayo, ninuhaw, ayan, may mga maiinom naman dito. Clock. Yan, sa gitna, bandang gitna, mga pagkain din. I'm sure copyright yun. Yung mga ano dito. Skyruns, happy memories in love.
Oh, you're not gonna
Zipline, if you want to ride a zipline. Zipline.
Nee, nee. Roy's going on that. You're going on that. Yeah, don't want you going. And you're not going, you are. I'm going to tie you to it.
Taal. Taal Lake.
Oh,
Pereswell.
Tayo, kuman.
Photographer.
Yes, it's balancing though. No, we're not getting that one. We're getting Lucky 22. Lucky 22.
No, they move a little bit because you are heavier. So,
Ah!
adjust a little bit. Go out. Go. Sis.
Shit!
Parang na siya kapatid.
It's freezing! It's freezing!
Yun.
That's the picture.
Wow.
Whoa, it's freezing!
Yeah, got water, right? If you want.
Yeah, it's freezing.
You find a place where you can take the.
Get the log.
Okay. No, it's okay. Shout out sa ating solid subscribers and viewers. Thank you very much for supporting Lakay Adventure.
Sit there.
No, because so that you can.
So, blow me smoke over there. Blow me smoke over that home.
Which one?
There? Yeah.
Got Polmer or not?
There, man. Look at. And the floor, yeah, sit here. Do you swap faces? Yeah, can I?
Kaya.
Huh? Swap faces.
Because
Wow.
Can't do it on the road, you see. Look at that one.
Ayun na guys, nakikita na yung buong Tagaytay. Ang Vista Hotel, KL Volcano.
Some views out there.
Zipline. These are the bits.
I think they're going faster.
Yeah?
I think they're going faster.
pa lang to.
Yeah. Almost we are in the highest.
Going over the top now.
Yes.
It's not stopping now. It's stopping unless you go on the brakes.
I'm not sure whether maybe one complete circle.
It's one complete zero, it's not stopping, but then people have to trouble it. And then one day it's stop. And then start again, when it's stop and stop again. If the Ferris wheel gets full, then it's going to be stopping and it'll be taking much longer. You know what I mean?
We're coming down.
Coming down.
Be careful, the wet is there again, you see. You want to ride? Ah!
Oh, it's not stopping, man.
Wow.
Stay in.
Ay, wala po sir. Version na po yung winner na. Tara po si Madam. Lena.
Kumakay ng drop tower ba to? Tingnan mo.
Handa na ba kayong sumigaw?
Ready.
Let's go!
Ayan na nga guys, tumaas na. Ready.
Still relaxing, right?
Wow. Bilis ah. Parang malalaglag kayo. Yun. Yo. Wow.
Did you feel that?
Sige nga. Ay. Maano yun. Baka mabitaw. Sige nga.
I'm the only one who feel that.
Ano ba tsura niyan? Ay, ang gulo. Ay. Umaalog eh. Oh. Mahin. Uy. Ano ba tsura niya?
You don't feel it, anything. Not yet. From
come to the bottom of the wall.
Uy! Oh! Diba hihiluin ka lang yan? Kasi paikot-ikot oh. Doon ako mahihilo sa ikot-ikot.
They be ready. This one is from, and then suddenly go down.
Yun. Tapos. Yun lang.
Oh, I saw just now another one round.
Tapos. Yun lang. Alright. Naka-experience. Ayos. Ayan na nga guys, bumili tayo ng ano no, yung kagaya ng ganito, 500 pesos motor. Maganda siya. Thank you. So ayan na nga guys no, 500 pesos. Thank you. Salamat po. Okay. Many.
Mua đẹp nha. Đấy, tôi vừa không.
Dito tayo sa Kina Roger.
You can buy extra rice. We're planning to buy this one. Then buy extra rice.
500 pesos. No, that's it. Ayan na.
Scratches in there.
Ubus.
Tapos ang kain.
Nagutom
Finish.
kami.
Tapos na.
Nagutom kami sa
No, like
drop tower.
No, like you not eat the rice. So like you didn't leave rice.
Marami na guys yung kumakain dito. Ayan na. Oh, uwian na guys. Mainit.
Kinodo ng oven.
Init. Ito yung kay Kuya Luloy. Oh.
Warm.
Very hot.
Just now we are happy to come, Now
Okay.
coming back.
Lang dito na lang siguro guys. Pabing init ang sasakyan ha.
Kaya nga mayroon kami binili. Naman tinilagay.
Ayan na guys. Init na.
There you go, thank you. Welcome to Tagaytay.
Hi.
I don't know if I'm strong enough. I've never been the kind to give it up. But this time, I don't know which way to go. Somewhere I've already been. Am I really going back again this time? This time I